Morning student, class 5th, subject science, lesson number 6, solid liquid gas. Remain explanation, my dear student, we will discuss to here. I am your science teacher Rajiv Kumar. Now here, according to given written topic as that, you will see and observe. Related picture already given here. First of all, today here in this video we will discuss related to gas. Okay, yes. So first of all, you will see to here, my dear student, another picture also here, and next you will see we will discuss atmosphere. Yes, air will be there, and next picture already here. Yes, see bridge we will discuss. So one by one, my dear student, see the observe all of you. Yes, my dear student. Today our topic is here. We will discuss to here about the gas. Have you seen to here, my dear student? Yes. If you will see to balloon, yes, inside when you will take the empty balloon and fill the air, and have you seen? Yes, size will be changed then after filling of your air. Yes, inside in balloon. And what is the means of that? The air and water vapor are gases. They have the following property. Have you seen to, my dear student? Yes. So, yes, what is the means of that? Yes, in the balloon air will be inside. If you will observe, so what happened that, my dear student? See the observe. So, already property point of view we will discuss to here for related to given topic gas. The molecule in the gas are the very far apart that now you will see to intermolecular space. Okay, a lot of intermolecular space between, yes, my dear student, molecule of air. Have you seen to here the, yes, my dear student, do not have the definite shape. Yes, why not? Because the freely move one place to another very easily. Yes, the molecule in a gas can spread easily, hence do not have the fixed volume. Okay, if you will see to already here, yes, ideally, and yes, okay, so do not have the fixed volume, okay, of gas you will see to here, and do not have the definite shape. Yes, freely move one place to another. So we will discuss to here first of all intermolecular space between the gas molecule. Have you seen to here? Yes, this is the another molecule, and yes, another molecule. Have you seen to here? Yes, if you will see to here given picture, two molecule is here. Okay, one is this and another is here. What is the distance between? Yes, a lot of intermolecular space between gas molecule. Have you seen to here? Okay, next you will see, yes, identify. Yes, do not have the definite shape. Yes, gas molecule freely move one place to another. It means the gas, yes, do not have a definite shape. The molecule in a gas can spread the easily. Yes, yes, open the cylinder, yeah, open the balloon. Yes, come out from the air, inside from the already fill the air, and come out from the balloon outside and do not have the fixed shape. It means that you will see the molecule in gas can spread easily, and gas also matter as they have the weight and occupy. Yes, example already given here, balloon you will fill the air, yes, and without filling air, have you seen to the, that's the balloon, okay, and after when you will fill the air and take the, you will take the weight, and after you will observe, yes, weight will be inside. Okay, my dear student, what means that? Yes, before and after weight will be change. Empty balloon and fill the air balloon, weight will be changed. It means the gas, okay, and also matter as that have the weight and occupy the space. Is that clear? Have you seen to inside fill the gas? That the example very easily. Have you seen? Next, I will show to here downside. Yes, tights yourself. You will try to yourself. Yes, both balloon are here. Yeah, what the condition will be? Here you will see and observe same. Yes, after and before empty space balloon you will take the weight and that, and after you will fill the balloon and observe. So yes my dear student, shape will be changed when you will fill the air and occupy the shape, and that the weight will be there in balloon. Okay, so try it yourself my dear student, see the observe. Next I will show to another one is here. Yes, soluble impurity. Okay, if you will take the my dear student 1 glass water and fill the, yes, and observe to there, fill the water from the any, yes, river or pond, and that you will see and observe. So they cannot, yes, they cannot see the naked eyes. Okay, yes, without, yes, microscope will not be possible, you will see observe to soluble impurity. What is the means that? It's mean the one type is a germ, okay, you can't see, okay, with the naked eyes, okay, and yes, salt and mineral also. Okay, so it means that that is soluble impurity. Okay, my dear student, example of soluble impurity. And you will see to another one is insoluble impurity. What is the means that? Yes, that that solubility will not be dissolved very easily. Okay, you will see stone, sand. Okay, you will take the water, river water, and you will see and observe, and there sand soil will be there, stone will be there. It's mean that what sand and stone will not be dissolved very easily in a water. And see the example, it's mean that this is insoluble impurity. If you will see to purification of water my dear student, and you will see to soluble impurity present in water can be removed. Yes, so many process. If you want to take the pure water, yes, after boiling we will get the pure water. Yes, adding the chemical, yes, why not? Yes, soluble chlorine tablet you will add in a, yes, pond water or river water, water will be purified from the, yes, protected from the germ. Okay, that is purified when we will use chlorine tablet. Another is, second is potassium permanganate also we will use, and another way, yes, you will see to here filter. Okay, after filter will possible also, but some insoluble impurity filter by filtering process otherwise, but germ type yes, impurity will be dissolved that time, but yes, cure with the help of chemical process. Okay, chlorine we will use, potassium permanganate, that time germ type soluble impurity will be resolved very easily with the help of chemical process. Okay, so we will use chlorine tablet for pond or river water, and the germ soluble impurity germ very easily removed from the river or pond water, and we will take that water for as a useful water for drinking. See the observe my dear student. Next, insoluble impurity present in a water can remove the following way. So another way also have you seen to here my dear student. Yes, insoluble. If you will take the, yes, kettle with the tea and water, after boiling tea leaves, and what happened that you will see, yes, settle down tea leaves downside, and then you will observe my dear student, yes, give an example, that the process we will call the sedimentation. Have you seen to here? Yes, if you will see to here, impurity in presence of water settle down, and the impurity is, yes my dear student, settled down is called, yes, sediment. Okay, yes, another one is decaytion. Decaytion is that process you will see to here, the follow the sedimentation is involved the, yes, pouring in out of the clear liquid. And have you seen into another my dear student, have you seen? This is the way, already try it yourself. Yes, the example already given here, you will take the glass and see the impurity mud also and dissolve, and what happen after, wait for some stir and dissolve that mud with the help of a spoon, and you will see and observe. Next glass you will see after 1 hour or 4 hours you will see settle down, yes, mud, and you will use poured and another bowl water, upper side water will be transferred very easily, and you will see this process we will call decaytion.
See the observe this example you will do and try itself. Okay. In the place of mud you will take the sand soil is better, this practical. See the observe my dear student. Next you will see to filtration my dear student. If you will see to here the filtration process, yes, it is very important. You will take the example, the remove insoluble impurity with the help of, yes my dear, present in water using to filter like a and cloth in cloth stainer, yes, filter paper also you will use my dear student. Tea stainer, the example you will try it yourself. Yes, it is very important, this example given to here. Tea, yes, stainer you will use, टी लीव्स को फिल्टर करने के लिए यू विल यूज टी स्टेनर माय डियर स्टूडेंट दैट सेपरेटली with the help of this is we will say this type process filtration is called filtration. Have you seen to here? Try it yourself. Have you seen to already given example here? You will take the filter paper and fold to make the cone shape. Have you seen to this is cone shape and use to here, okay, yes, and that you will pull down the water impure, yes, in impure water you will pull down and that after and downside water will be, yes, filtrate, yes my dear student, and place the beaker under the funnel and pour the some mud water in the filter paper, then you will see observe and downside the my dear student insoluble impurity will be the remain on the filter paper and downside, yes, water, yes, filtrate water will be there. See the observe my dear student. Next you will see to here my dear student. Today last topic is here my dear student. Yes, composition of air. If you will see to my dear student, yes, air, mixture of gases, so many gases will be there in the form of, yes, the percentage already given in pie chart already here. 21% oxygen will be there, 78% nitrogen and but percent another. You will see the water vapor also and dust particle. The atmosphere contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% another gases. 0.03 carbon dioxide, helium, argon will be there. So my dear student, if you will see the amount of the water vapor present in the air, the place of the given the time called humidity and place the near the sea have to high humidity. If you will see to there, the observe here the given atmosphere my dear student with the help of pie chart very easily you will observe. So it is very important my dear student, you will observe to their atmosphere the different type according to weather will be change, okay, composition already given to as it, but 1% the other composition will be changed, the water vapor, humidity, moisture will be change, percentage of moisture will be changed because the summer season will be low and rainy season humidity will be high. So see the observe my dear student. Next time we will discuss the remaining part of the given video. Thanks to all, take care. See the observe my dear student. Yes, I hope follow the given instruction. You will read carefully the given example and discussed. Yes, observe the remaining part. Next time I will discuss to here, and now here the given example test yourself you will do in present of in front of your parent. Thanks to all, take care. See the observe my dear student. Thanks. Thanks.